Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. So I started a new platform, the Hercules cordless. I saw they were running this deal where you buy a battery and charger for $100 and you get a free tool. So I was looking through the tools and I noticed they actually have a brushless grinder. So I thought that was just a really great value. 5 amp hour battery, the charger, and the tool, all for $100. So I went down to the store and I got it. They actually didn't have one at my local store. Well, they had everything except for the charger, I should say. So I had to make a little bit of a drive. Wasn't that far, but went ahead and got it. And I'm glad I did because it's already sold out at that store too. So this is what I got here. All this you see, $100. Battery, charger does their 20 volt and 12 volt batteries. And the grinder comes with this 5-inch grinding wheel here. It's got screens on the side for the intake air. You can actually pop these out to clean them. And they're on both sides. Tool feels really good in the hand. Really looking forward to using this. So, figured now that I have this platform, I was looking through the other tools they have and decided to pick up this, which is the 1/4-inch drive extended reach ratchet. This one is 12 volt, so I had to get this battery. It wasn't terribly expensive. This ratchet does not have the brushless motor, but I mean, it's just 1/4-inch drive. Be nice if it did, but I have the Moggy Fuel one at work. Really nice unit for the money. Looking forward to it. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Just wanted to share this new platform I got. Like I said, I didn't necessarily want to get another battery platform, but it was just such a good deal. Couldn't pass it up. Seems like great tools for the money, so glad to have it here. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.